Now let us add some files to our project and add the changes made to those files to the staging area. Alternatively, people many times use the phrase they are adding the file to the staging area. But don't get confused. What they actually mean is they are adding the changes made to those files to the staging area. Before adding any files to the project, let us first check the status of the repository. For that, let us first open Git Bash. To check the status of the repository, we use the command git status. As you can see, the status says there is nothing to commit. It also suggests us to create or copy files and use the command git add to track those files in this repository. So let us go ahead and add some files to the repository. For the demonstration purpose, I've quickly added some dummy files and folders to resemble a project that we work on in our daily lives. Now that we have added files, let us check the status of the repository again. We can easily notice that a new title named untracked file has been added to the status. Also, all the files and folders that we just added to our project appears to be read under this title. Now, let us add the index.html file to the staging area. We do so by using command git add followed by the file or the directory name. In our case, it is index.html. Let us check the status of the repository to check if the index.html file has been added to the staging area. Even in this status, we can easily spot that a new title named changes to be committed has been added. Another change that we can see is that index.html file appears to be in green, whereas the other files and folders still appear to be in red and under the title untracked files. As the index.html file is under the title changes to be committed and is in green color, it tells us that it has been added to the staging area. Note that the green color of the index.html file or the red color of all the other files and folders is due to the fact that we are using Git Bash for communicating with Git. But if we are using some other CLI, then this may not be the case. Now let us add the remaining files to the staging area. This time we'll add multiple files at a time. We do so by using the same command git add followed by all the names of the files and folders separated by space. Note that both JavaScripts and styles that we just mentioned in the command are folders. Let us check if all the files in these folders have been added to the staging area. And we can see that all the files from the JavaScripts and styles folders have been added to the staging area. Also, another thing to notice is that the untracked files title has been eliminated from the status. This is because all the files from this repository have been added to the staging area. The dummy project that I just made had very less number of files and folders. But in real life, most of the projects have huge number of files and folders. Now imagine if you have made changes to most of the files and folders, how tiresome it would have been to add all the names to the git add command. That's why Git has provided us with a provision where you can add all the changes to the staging area at once. For demo purposes, I have unstaged all the files that were in the staging area. We can even confirm that from the status of the repository. As you can see, all the files and folders appear in red and under the title untracked files. Now, to add all the changes at once, we use the command git add dot. Let us check if all the files have been added to the staging area. Here you can see that all the files are in green color and under the changes to be committed title. Hence, we know that all the files are added to the staging area. Hence, to summarize, we use the command git status to know the status of the repository. And when we use this command in git bash, we can see the files or changes which are in the staging area in green color and under the title changes to be committed. And we used various variants of git add command to add changes of single file or multiple files and folders to the staging area.